Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic that's been causing some confusion among developers, issues with redirecting users to the Google Wallet installation page. If you have ever tried to integrate Google Wallet into your app or website, you might have encountered this problem. In this video, we'll break down what's going on and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve the issue. So, let's dive right in. How? The problem usually arises when you try to redirect users to the Google Wallet installation page using a specific URL or link. You might have followed all the documentation and guidelines provided by Google, but for some reason the redirection just doesn't work as expected. The key concept here is that Google Wallet uses a specific protocol to handle redirect. This protocol involves a series of checks and verifications to ensure that the user is being redirected to a trusted source. However, sometimes this process can fail due to various reasons, such as misconfigured URLs, incorrect parameters, or even issues with the user's browser or device. To understand what's going on, let's break down the steps involved in redirecting users to the Google Wallet installation page. First, your app or website sends a request to Google's servers with specific parameters and credentials. Google then verifies these credentials and checks if the user has already installed Google Wallet on their device. If everything checks out, Google redirects the user to the installation page. However, here's where things can go wrong. If there's an issue with your app's configuration or the user's browser, this redirect might fail. You might see an error message or a blank page instead of the expected installation page. To fix this issue, you need to ensure that your app is properly configured and that you're using the correct URL and parameters for the redirect. You should also check if there are any issues with the user's browser or device that could be causing the problem. One analogy that might help here is thinking of the redirection process as a series of doors that the user needs to pass through. Each door represents a specific check or verification, and if one of these checks fails, the user can't proceed to the next step. By identifying which door is causing the issue, you can then focus on fixing that specific problem. So, what are the main takeaways from this discussion? First, remember that redirecting users to the Google Wallet installation page involves a series of checks and verification. Second, ensure that your app is properly configured and that you're using the correct URL and parameters for the redirect. Finally, don't forget to check if there are any issues with the user's browser or device that could be causing the problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you've encountered issues with redirecting users to the Google Wallet installation page, we hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on app development and related topics. In the comments below, let us know if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time.